Hello, amazing people. Welcome to Empower to Earn. Can you believe I unmolded this beautiful soup just 5 hours after making it? It's super strong, right? And it foams like magic. Have you been thinking on how you can make hard bar soap with few ingredients? This video is for you. Kindly relax, grab your paper and pen, watch the video to the end, and let's dive in. First thing first, you will need your mixing bowl, your turning stick or spatula, your mold, then get all your ingredients ready before production. And make sure you produce in a well-ventilated space. The first thing I added into my clean water is caustic soda. I added caustic soda into clean water and I stir it. I stir it till all the granules dissolve, then I set it aside. Let's moving on. Now our lye solution has completely cooled down. You can see it's clear off now and it has completely cooled down. It's ready for use. Remember, we are doing cold process. Now what I'm adding into my lye solution is salt, the cooking salt, table salt. Then I added like 1 teaspoon of table salt into my lye solution and I stir it together very well. Keep watching the video. I will drop the list of all the ingredients before the end of this video. Salt is incorporated into soap mixture to help it harden and speed up the curing process, allow you to unmold and use the soap sooner. The next step is to add my PKO into my mixing bowl. I'll be using PKO, which is palm kernel oil, followed by adding lye solution into it. Remember, we have mixed salts in lye solution. So now I added it into the PKO, and as I add, I stir it. I adding it gradually and I'm stirring it as well. Continue stirring it until it gets to a straight level where there will be no separation between the lye and oil. Also, when you stir it very well, it helps your soap to lather well and it hasten up the trace. So whenever you are making your soap, just make sure you put more effort in stirring your soap. In fact, soap that you did not stir well might get soft or even separate. So you need to stir your soap batter very well. At the end of the day, if you see the soap that you stir well, you will see the outcome beautifully. It comes out beautifully and neat, and it's hastening up the trace. It helps your soap to trace on time. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, Biko, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. You will get notified whenever I drop another video like this. Don't worry, I will drop all the recipe before the end of this video. And also you can practice this on your own at comfort of your house. It's not must that you must start selling soap. You can make it and be using it with your family. You can even use it as souvenir. Give friends. Maybe Christmas is coming, festive period is coming. All this you can make it and as a gift to someone. And when they see it, and you will be proud of yourself that this is my handmade. Before you know, good thing might come out from there. So you can see how jelly it looks. We have gotten to a trace level and the soap batter is ready to go into the mold. Now I added it into the mold. You can use any mold of your choice. Any mold. Remember, your mold is the shape of your soap. Whatever you use as mold, that is the shape that your soap is bringing out. Lest I forget, you can add color to your soap. You can also add fragrance to it. I only make use of 3 ingredients so that you can see that with these little ingredients you can still make a beautiful soap out of it. You can add fragrance to it to give you a good scent and also add color to beautify it. So you can add your fragrance into your oil before adding the light solution. You can also add color into the oil. Make sure you use oil color. Oil color is better in bar soap. I've poured all my soap batter into the mold. Now you allow it to set for 24 hours before you unmold it. This is exactly 5 hours after making this beautiful soap. You can see the soap is ready to unmold. It came out beautifully, strong, hardened. You see, 5 hours. Here is the recipe for this production. You can screenshot it. You can also copy it with your pen and jotter. This particular formula is very simple to make. If you have not been able to make strong bar soap, add bar soap, you can try this formula today. And believe me, if you follow it the way you see me doing it in this video, just do it yourself. At the end of the day, you will come back and thank me. And also, if you want to learn more on how to make bar soap, soda soap, any cleaning products, kindly come into my DM on WhatsApp and just drop your message and I'll be right there to answer you. Now we are testing the foaming level of this soap. You can see that this soap lathers very well. It lathers well. You can see how beautiful, strong and foamy it is. This soap does not need any foam booster. Again, I repeat, don't waste your foamy booster. Don't add any foam booster to it. It foams very well because of the kind of oil we use. I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If yes, kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. It will only encourage me to do more videos like this. Like this video, comment on it and share. And if you have any question to ask, kindly drop it in the comment section and I will be right there to answer you. For my return subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.